Hi guys, today I'll show you how to install Mautic Marketing Automation on your subdomain with help of Softaculous App Installer. So for that you require three things. One is subdomain, second is your Cpanel credential, and third is an email address. Okay, so let's begin. This is my Cpanel. I'm logging into my Cpanel. Okay. Now I'm creating an email address first. So let me find out. This is my cPanel view. So let me find out the email. Okay, email accounts. So I'm creating an email called mautic@mindchemist.com. Okay. Let me set the password for that. Okay. Make it unlimited. Create. Now, as you can see, my email address is created. Okay. Now I have to create my subdomain. So let me find out for the subdomains. Okay, here is the subdomain. Create a subdomain. So I'm creating a subdomain called email. You can create anything like email, mail, or Mautic, anything. So right now I'm creating with the email, and it will save in the public HTML root folder, and email that it will be in email folder. So I'm just creating that. Create. Okay, my subdomain has been created. Go back to the cPanel. Now you have to find for Softaculous App Installer here. So you click on that. Okay, now here in the search box you have to find for Mautic. Right now Softaculous is having 2.15.1 version, which is the latest one. So let me just click on install now. I want to choose my protocol because I do have HTTPS certificate, so I'm selecting HTTPS. Domain should be subdomain, so click on that, and here you have to blank your directory. Okay, so it will be saved directly on the subdomain, not the subdirectories. Okay, admin username, let me just for the demo purpose, let me keep it as it is. For admin password, let me just keep it as it is. For first name, last name, as it is. Now let me change my email address, Mautic and click on install. So it will take like 4 to 5 minutes. Now you can see that your congratulations, the software has been was installed successfully. Okay, so here is the link to your Mautic, which is your subdomain. So just click on that, and you remember the login ID and password, that is admin. Okay, so let me just log in. Amazing. Now your Mautic has been successfully installed. Okay, now you require two things to get it started, get it working. One, you have to write Cronjobs to automate your segments, your campaigns, your other kind of automation like sending emails or social monitoring or form submission, tags updating, everything. For that you have to write the cron job. So I will create a separate video for creating how to create a cron jobs for Mautic. And the second thing is you require SMTP to send out the bulk emails. For SMTP settings, I prefer to go with Amazon SES, as Amazon SES provides the cheapest SMTP services. Okay, that's it for this video. Thank you very much, and feel free to let me know if you have any queries regarding Mautic. You can ask anything to me in comment box. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. I'm creating lots of new videos for Mautic. So thank you very much guys. Have a great day.